Now in this video we have to make b the subject of equation. So first of all we can see that we have a on this side of equation. A is dividing on this side of equation, so when we take a on the other side it will be multiplied. So we have 2a plus 3b is equal to a times b plus c. Now we will expand this bracket, so we have 2a plus 3b is equal to a times b is ab and a times c is ac. Now we have to make b the subject of equation, so we will take this ab on this side, so this ab will become minus ab, and we will take this 2a on this side of equation, so this 2a will become minus 2a. So we will write 3b minus ab is equal to ac minus 2a. Now we can take b common because b is present in both terms, and then we will write 3 in the bracket because 3b divided by b is 3, and then minus sign, and then ab divided by b is a, and on the other side we have ac minus 2a. Now since 3 minus a is multiplying by b, so when we take 3 minus a on the other side it will divide ac minus 2a. So we have ac minus 2a upon 3 minus a. So now we have b as a subject of equation because b is on the one side of equation and all the other variables on the other side of equation.